What's up, my fellow fly fishermen? Graham Ferguson here, host of CastingColorado. Today I am at a super awesome private pond with my friend Jack here. This is actually the pond that I caught my first ever fish in, which is kind of cool, kind of going back to my roots. It should have a lot of stocked rainbows. We're already seeing some fish rise. It is catch and release only, so there are a few holdover fish from last time they stocked it that should be really big. Maybe we'll hook into one, maybe we won't, you never know. Either way, it should be a really fun day. There's one right here. There's a fish right here. Got him. Jack! Oh, dude, it's a huge. Got him. Whoa. Oh, dude, it's a beast.
Nice. Holy crap. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Look at him.
Dude, can you get a photo of me?
I've never seen a rainbow like that.
There he goes. Just needed some time.
Somebody that knows how to release a fish. That's what's sad is some of these people that have fished here.
Just kill them. Yeah.
Fish is like, whoa.
Yeah.
And you caught him like right by shore, didn't you?
Oh yeah. What I did is I saw him cruising and I just threw my hopper right over him, and I saw another fish coming by next to him too. Here's another one. And this guy's fighting. Just one of the little stalkers. Man, this guy's fighting so hard. There he goes. That's a tough fish right there. Oh my god. What? I literally just cast in and just
he just immediately hammered it. This is a big one. Holy moly.
Pretty big.
Oh boy, he's big. He's got a huge head.
Huge head. Wow.
I
They
can
look like
fe-
they need more food though.
yeah.
I mean, I wonder if they're kind of starved and that's why he's got such a big head. His body's not quite proportional.
Yeah. Did you guys stock minnows in here?
They did, yeah.
Oh.
So at this point in time, the storm got to be so bad that we actually had to head back to his house for a little bit. I have the super awesome app on my phone called WeatherBug. Definitely recommend you guys looking at it. And we checked it, probably waited 30 minutes, and then went back down to the pond. But pretty much as soon as we got there, Jack hooked into a really, really nice fish.
Here, let him have some line. Jack's got a real nice one. Dude, how cool was that? Oh, that's a nice, dude.
Alright. Bring in that net. Alright.
Oh, dude.
Sick.
Look how pretty that thing is.
So those are the stalkers.
Yeah.
So for the viewers' information, like, yeah.
Dude, but how... Do you want a picture?
Yeah, sure.
Do you want to get with them, or should I just...
Let's do with him.
Alright.
Hey, first fish I caught on a fly rod.
Dude, but how cool was that when you saw him and you
see him,
cast...
like,
Yeah.
The reflex is so cool. You just like go boom.
And then you
boom.
see, and then they see the fly, and then they come up and eat it. All right, wet your hands first.
Oh yeah, yeah.
All right. You want to let him go?
Alright, dude. Let's
Dude,
not
that-
eat it on the way out.
Dude, that
The stalkers are good size.
they
actually,
fight
though.
so hard. Dude,
Aren't they?
dude. Boom! How cool was that?
They're so much fun.
Dude, how?
Jesus.
But you, I told
So
you, you
cool.
just see them, and then and then they come up.
You ever had a dream that you want that you
Dude,
So cool.
I'm telling
It
you.
was so cool too. He was right there. I could see him
Yeah.
through the water, like.
Yeah, and you can. Yeah. Oh, he's pretty.
Yeah.
Dude, how sick is this fishing?
I love this.
You can disconnect the net if you want.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, dang. Nailed it.
Got him.
Huh?
All right.
Dude, look at him. Do you see him taking drag?
Yeah. This is an awesome fish. Nice.
Oh my god.
All right, bring him in. Here.
All right. Do you not want to get wet? Because you might have to get wet. So I'll just take him. I'll net him. Unless you want to get wet.
Because these are my, like, yeah, I only own a pair. I don't have proper shoes. Oh, looks like some guy jumped over there too. Or is that this guy?
Oh, he knows what that is.
Yup.
Holy moly, dude.
Here, you know what? I'm gonna run up to the house and get my Keens or sandals or something so I can wade in.
All right.
Because this is painful.
Oh my God.
Damn, Graham. Wow,
This guy's a beast.
he is.
God. Oh. Dude.
You're bringing him into land. A bit.
Look how big it is. All right. Oh, there he goes. Dude, that fish was fat. Oh,
Love.
he's still. Give him a little love tap.
I love this.
Dude, I'm telling you.
So I decided to split this video into 2 little bite-sized chunks because I had so much footage. I'd rather it be in 2 10-minute segments than one huge, long, like, ridiculously oversized video. For me, at least, I prefer my videos to be a little bit shorter. On another note, I forgot to mention the fact that this was not only the place that I caught my first ever fish, but this was also the place that I caught my first ever fly-caught fish. And that is crazy to me, is that I caught both my first ever fish and my first ever fly caught fish all at the same private little pond fishing with my friend Jack, which is super cool. Another crazy thing is that this was recorded and I went here on August 26th, and that is literally the exact same date that I caught my first ever fly caught fish, which is awesome because that time we fished for a long time and I only caught 1 fish, which is this, the photo I'm showing you right now. And that is crazy to me because this time I went for a shorter amount of time and yet I caught 9 fish. And I hope you guys really, really enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in part 2.